Let's see the working of our project. Here you can see a timer which shows the current time, and the above represent the current and next period which is stored in the timetable, and in the bottommost line there is a counter representing how many students and teachers are inside the class. As you can see, current and next changes as the timer approaches 20 seconds. So after every 20 seconds time period, the next class is updated and the current is also changed accordingly. Next is the use of counter in our project. In the bottommost line you can see a counter which is updated on an entry and exit of teachers and student. This is done with the help of IR sensors, which you can see is placed on the entrance wall right there. So when any student enters, like considering this page to be a student, and if he enters the class, the IR sensor detects him and updates the counter accordingly, as you can see here. From 0 it has been updated to be 1. Stop. When the counter is greater than 0, as you can see in this case in the bottommost row, the lights and fan is automatically switched off as somebody is inside the class. Now in our project there is an additional functionality that if ambient light is sufficient enough, the classroom lights are automatically switched off. I will show you that. I switch on the ambient light and the LDR senses that it's an sufficient amount of light and the classroom lights are switched off, but fan is still on. Now to control this, I have put this potentiometer that you can see here to define the intensity of ambient light. Now if I turn this potentiometer to be considering this ambient light not sufficient enough, you can see the classroom lights are then switched on automatically. And now if I make the counter again 0, all of these lights will switch off, as you can see, as nobody is inside the class. The next feature of our project is the GSM module. The aim of this GSM module is to send text messages to the respective teacher according to the timetable. Here you can see a clock is running and after 20 seconds the period is updated. Like now current period is maths and next is science. Now firstly I switch on the GSM module, and as the time period is changes, a text message is sent through the GSM module.